some bookshelves, some chimeneas, some desks, a smoker grill, a table. We own it, family. Fabrication, fabrication, fabrication. Learn fabrication. If you're going to learn something this year, learn how to fabricate, not just to weld. Learn how to read the prints, to lay out things like this. Fabrication is very important, especially if later in, once you get up in the years, you can start building things for yourself, making things for yourself. Like, it's less wear and tear on your body too, once you start doing things like this. They have many different types, forms of fabrication: structural fabrication, ornamental fabrication, furniture fabrication. You have fabrication that deals with repairs on old equipment and fabricating it, putting it back in. There's many different forms. And I will most definitely say learn the tape measure, learn how to read the tape measure, fam. That's going to be very important for you. It's going to be a big asset to you.